This is our residence. This is what we like to share with the Japanese people, with our friends and colleagues, a little bit about Colombia and our culture.
So here we have our finest Colombian basketry. It is called huerregue. These artifacts are made in El Chocó by indigenous people who live in the jungle with very geometrical figures that have an important meaning to the people who make it.
And as you can see also in the back, we have some more of their artifacts from Colombian pre-Hispanic culture.
Would like to share with you some replicas of the Gold Museum in Bogota. What you see here is a very important part of our culture. It is a gold raft that represents the myth of El Dorado. So actually, the Spanish conquerors looked for El Dorado, a place full of gold, for 36 years. When they reached the highlands in Bogota, they were looking for this lagoon where the cacique, or the main, most powerful person of the region, would get onto this raft, cover his body with gold powder, and throw himself into the lagoon or lake, and his people would throw golden artifacts into the lake. So of course, the Spanish people were all looking for all this gold. So this is the representation of El Dorado myth.
Christmas time is a good time to enjoy sweets in family, with family and friends in Colombia. It's a delicious pastry that is very tasty and also is prepared in different kind of preparations depending on the region. So the ones that we are having today are as well from Antioquia region.
So for me, one of the things I most looked forward to during Christmas as a child was, as my husband said, the sweets. And actually, in my family, we would only have hojuelas during Christmas, actually Christmas Day.
And with your family, you can also enjoy it with Colombian coffee. It goes very well with the taste of the hojuelas. this Christmas time, in this year, please try new things, enjoy Colombian gastronomy. You know now how to make it, so enjoy it with your family and with friends.